Hi, everyone. Do you want to talk about your job in English?
Today we will teach you easy English for work.
It is simple. Let's start together. Hi, Henry. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am great. Today we will talk about jobs.
That's a good topic. Many people talk about work every day.
Yes, talking about your job is very important in English.
Let's start with a simple question. Emma, what is your job?
I am a teacher. I teach English.
Repeat slowly. I am a teacher. I teach English.
I am a teacher. I teach English.
A teacher helps students learn.
Yes, I love teaching. Teaching is fun. Henry, what is your job?
I am a software developer. I write computer programs.
Say it slowly.
I am a software developer. I write computer programs.
A software developer makes apps and websites.
Now let's talk about workplace. Emma, where do you work?
I work at a school.
Repeat slowly. I work at a school.
I work at a school.
A school is a place for learning.
Henry, where do you work?
I work at a tech company.
Repeat slowly.
I work at a tech company.
A tech company makes technology products.
Next question. What time do you start work?
I start work at 8 in the morning.
Repeat slowly.
I start work at 8 in the morning.
Start work means the time you begin your job.
Henry, what time do you start work?
I start work at 9 in the morning.
Good. Now let's talk about tasks. Henry, what do you do at work?
I write code and fix problems.
Repeat slowly.
I write code and fix problems.
Write code means giving instructions to a computer.
Emma, what do you do at your job?
I teach students and check homework.
Repeat slowly.
I teach students and check homework.
Check homework means looking at student work.
Now let's talk about likes and dislikes. Henry, do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job. I enjoy coding.
Repeat slowly.
I enjoy coding.
Enjoy means you feel happy doing something.
Emma, do you like your job?
Yes, I love my job. I like teaching.
Love means very strong liking.
Let's talk about work days. Henry, do you work every day?
Number 1, I work Monday to Friday.
Repeat slowly.
I work Monday to Friday.
That means weekends are free.
Emma, what about you?
I also work Monday to Friday.
Now let's talk about skills. Emma, what skills do you need?
I need good English and patience.
Repeat slowly.
I need good English and patience.
Patience means staying calm.
Henry, what skills do you need?
I need coding skills and teamwork.
Teamwork means working with others. Let's talk about problems at work. Henry, what is hard about your job?
Sometimes my code has bugs.
Repeat slowly.
Sometimes my code has bugs.
Bugs are mistakes in programs.
Emma, what is hard about your job?
Sometimes students don't understand lessons.
That is part of teaching.
Now let's talk about the future. Henry, what do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a senior developer.
Repeat slowly.
I want to be a senior developer.
Emma, what about you? I want to be a teacher for many years.
One who shows your plan. Now let's practice a short, full conversation.
What is your job?
I am a software developer.
Where do you work?
I work at a tech company.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Great.
Talking about your job is easy with practice.
Speak slowly and use simple words.
Making mistakes is okay.
Practice every day.
Now you can say, I am a teacher.
Or, I work at a company.
Your English will improve step by step.
That's all for today.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe to our channel, Mastery in English.
Like the video and comment your job below.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.